Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James of the Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, March 15th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So NatGas, this oversold bounce is continuing. Once we had this TCG bull cross, again when the 4 and crosses over the 8 EMA, the green over the red line, we had consolidation after we hit the 20 EMA, back tested the 8 EMA, and went up further. And once we broke the 20 EMA and broke the high of this candle on the bounce attempt of 2.952, headed even higher. That's the next signal. And currently what has happened is it is hitting the 200 EMA daily resistance, pulling back. It's held this back test of the 80 EMA now 2 times on this pullback, closed above the 4 EMA again. And so tomorrow is NatGas inventories, bullish reaction. You want to see a break above, hopefully the high of this candle at 3.006, and then the next resistance here of 3.063. You want to make sure that the support low here of 2.923 is held, and you definitely don't want to see it close below this 8 EMA on the daily, as it will change that support into resistance. And so previously strong support can become strong resistance if it's lost. So definitely want to maintain this 8 EMA on inventory reports. And price, as far as price resistance goes, you can see the high of this candle here is 3.09, and the low of this candle, where the gap fill is 3.09. So we got 1 penny, like less than, what is that, like 0.001 under it. At the high of this is 3.089, and then pulled back, which lines up with that 200 MA. So what to watch for on NatGas inventory reports? The reaction is you want to break above the high of this candle here of today of 3.006, then the high of this candle here, and I don't know that we'll take it out in one day, but that's the clear resistance there of 3.09 that bulls need to get above to continue bullish on this bounce attempt. So we could continue to consolidate in this area, but again, bulls are in full control as long as this 8 EMA is support, as it's been maintained as support on this TCG bull cross the whole way up. So that's the levels to look at. On the hourly, we're getting into a tight range here, potentially a bull flag here. You'd like to ideally see declining volume here, and then a big spike in bull volume and a move up. And confirm, what you want to do is set a higher high on the hourly. Looks like we set this high, then we set a lower high, then another lower high, another lower high. So what to watch for tonight is a break above this high here, 2.986, to set a higher high on the hourly. And likely that will give us the 50 MA hourly here. So NatGas obviously going to move overnight. We'll see how that works out. We have an hourly inside candle to watch for. An inside hourly candle is when the high and low, including the wicks, are within the range of the high and low of the previous candle. A bull break would be the break of 2.976 on this candle, or in a bear break would be a break below 2.97. So that's something to watch for. A bull or bear break. If it closes below this candle but closes back above the range, or above, if this candle breaks above but closes within the range, then that inside candle signal is negated. and is no longer good. So watch this inside candle develop in this next hour. It could potentially give you a clue of which way NatGas is going to break out of this tightening pattern here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and inventories are at 10:30 a.m. Have a good night.